kupata salamu za Mheshimiwa Rais, turudi nyuma, tusije tukawaziba mkuu wa jeshi la ulinzi na
Lawyer Miguna has urged President William Ruto to retract the Finance Bill 2023. He has also told the Kenya Kwanza government to suspend the housing levy. Miguna's call comes in response to widespread criticism from Kenyans. Many have said the bill is ill-timed given the current economic situation. In a statement on his social media accounts, Miguna advised the government, which he had openly supported, that Kenyans have made their position clear on these matters. He urged President Ruto to reconsider and develop a better course of action rather than imposing the bill on the people. Miguna stated, "Step back, listen to Kenyans, withdraw the Finance Bill 2023, postpone the implementation of the housing levy, and start anew." His advice aligns with ODM leader Raila Odinga's warning to Ruto about the potential consequences of imposing the bill on the public. Odinga raised concerns about the punitive nature and poor timing of Ruto's tax plan, considering the existing inflationary pressures. Ruto, however, remains unwavering in his support for the bill, emphasizing its potential to transform the economy. Miguna believes that Ruto's rigid stance will not effectively address the current crisis and advised him not to argue or become defensive against public criticism. The lawyer further recommended a complete overhaul of Ruto's advisory team, advocating for individuals who will prioritize the interests of Kenyans and provide honest counsel. Miguna also criticized Ruto's communication team for their perceived failure to defend the president in the face of sustained backlash over the Finance Bill 2023, suggesting that Ruto should hire new, independent, and truthful advisors and reshuffle his communications team. Hire 2 or 3 fresh faces. Don't rely on yes men and yes women, Miguna told the president. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to the Kenya News channel.